Sometimes when we go to download any application or we are going to update it, our Google Play EH tells us that there is an error or says it continues to fail. In this video tutorial we will explain step by step how to correct what this error is in the Google Play that downloads applications for us. Well, the first thing we are going to do is the following. We are going to pay close attention to this video tutorial in order to correct what this error is. As we had said, sometimes we are going to download any application in the Google Play and we click on install and it does not download. The first thing we are going to do to be able to correct what this error is to go to settings. We go to settings. Here in settings we are going to look for the apps or applications option. We are going to select being here in applications. Now what we are going to do is look for the option of those of Google Play. We are going to search for Google Play. Here is the store. We are going to select it. After having said that, we are going to select the following. If you see that the information of the applications does not appear here, as we have done here, here we see all that information as well. We can search for it directly from here. How well, as you can see here we have the Play Store. What we're going to do now is hold the application. We hold it and here if you see it, there it is here. This is there in the little ball in the center. Well, we're going to select that little ball and it would take us to the same section. As you can see here we arrive again at the same option that we have entered through configuration, and as we see we have said what are we going to do. Well, when we get these errors what we are going to do is the following, but before doing this we are going to go to the Play Store itself and we are going to click here in this little ball on the right side. Then we click here in settings. Here we are going to click on the last option. And we are going to click here where it says update Play Store first before doing that, and if it tells you that you already have the latest version, it is because the error is not because it is outdated. The error is because it has this information. Now what we are going to do is go to what is storage. We click here where it says delete cache. First we delete the cache. Then we are going to click where it says delete all. We click here on delete all. Now what we are going to do is close all those tabs, and now we are going to enter the application. This sometimes takes a few seconds, but do not worry, we are going to enter. We are going to click here on download applications. Here we are going to be able to see what the result is. We are going to see the result that those errors yes are going to fix. Yes, they will fix those errors when we have eliminated all that information. All those errors from the application, and if the yes they did as we had done so that our application had the latest version, it is because the error is not from updating but from deleting that data.